Hi, this is Ted Gorski from Get Your Edge. I'm a leadership coach. I am looking for leaders who want to up their game. Today's environment requires impactful leadership. It's about innovating and breaking through traditional barriers. Do you stand out from the crowd from other leaders? Trailblazing leaders are visionaries, risk takers, and influencers. Come join me in a free 2-hour workshop called Leadership Audit. Are you a trailblazing leader? Some of the key takeaways. You're going to craft what your true value is in the organization. You're going to get in touch with some strategies and ways to influence and motivate your team to high levels of performance. But more importantly, you're going to learn how to blaze those trails to stand out from the crowd. Click on the button below and register for this 2-hour workshop. Don't miss it. It will be the best 2 hours that you will invest in yourself, and you're going to take away with some strong strategies. See you there.